हम्म, चल रहा भाई। हेलो गाइस, हाय। गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी। या चलो, डन। Yep. Today basically, silver again made an all-time high again today, and gold also made an all-time high today again, with a huge gap up. A lot of uncertainty going on in the in the global market. So because of that, gold and silver are in still huge, very good demand areas. Okay. So yeah, I'm still expecting bullish momentum in the gold, like silver. Yeah, it is picking up from here. You can see here. So it's a huge gap up. Like from market basically goes to 90. It opened at, you see again here at 91.83, and again it rallied. It went to 94, which is made on gain on all time high
Exactly.
today.
So if you see now, you will not see the gap up and gap down in commodities.
Okay.
So generally, if you see silver, so silver gave a very good gap up.
Yeah.
If you see guys here, this is a session break. Even if I see here, see the gap up. So generally, you will not find gap up and gap downs in commodity.
Correct.
So if you see from here to a 2% gap up,
It's a very
so
big number.
2% gap up is a very big deal. Generally, this is the monthly return, but it is giving in a single gap up, and that is to a global commodity. Same goes for the gold also. So if you
That's
see here, again 1% gap up. So gold is a $30 trillion asset.
that's true. Why
So
1% is a very
exactly,
big deal. And as of you also know, right now silver is sitting basically second in the market cap
exactly.
capital
So
after the
guys,
gold only.
remember this gold is a $30 trillion asset, global asset, and that asset is opening 1% gap up. So what is the 1% of $30 trillion? It will be $300 billion.
Yeah, you just see about
So
that one, how much US
imagine,
will come into the
imagine
pictures.
the amount of inflows coming into the commodities and specifically gold and silver.
That's
So
true.
that is not a normal course of event.
Yeah, definitely that we should be keeping that man like in
Exactly.
mind. So now, if you are saying like asking me, Basavaraj or Deepanshu, what will be the trade for today? So market is completely in a zone.
Range.
Okay, so in the first 30-minute candle, what we will be considering.
Exactly.
So
First 30
market
minutes.
is in under that area only. It's not at all going
Exactly.
anywhere. Correct. So it is basically in that range only. It's not at all going anywhere. So if you see in the 5 minutes or 15 minutes, we'll see any entries are coming into the picture. So it will be bullish trades only, no reversal trades or nothing like that. So I will be focusing on, like, because I personally know that this guy like gold and silver is like what happens, if it is going upside, think of taking trades in the upside manner only. No, not of thinking taking trade that it will be going downside or something like that. No, nothing like that. I personally faced so many losses because of this. The Indian market mindset will be there. No, like if it reaches 2%
Exactly.
half side will come downside.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It will not happen here. Okay, if it
Mhm.
3% is 4 also will can is possible here.
Exactly.
Okay, try to take a trade in an upside manner only. So we like see here in the 5 minutes perspective manner, we can see a trade here. Like what it's basically consolidating for a very long time, and this is a lot of time it was getting a rejection from here.
Exactly.
Correct. So we can take a
Yeah.
trade after.
One more thing is that even if you see, if it is trying to give a breakout from here, selling is coming, and the
Yeah,
selling is also very fast.
yeah,
So what's happening? Sellers are highly active at these levels.
exactly
So
true.
we can consider this as a highly resistance level as of now.
Because all time high.
Exactly. All
Because
time
of the
high.
all time high, supply is coming into the
Yeah.
picture. Profit
So
booking is coming into the
yeah,
picture.
if you see gap up opening and gap up when market open gap up, this was the rejection, opening rejection, and after that, not a single candle has been able to consolidate this. So every time market is tapping this supply zone, a selling is coming. See
Correct.
the selling, this big red candle, and you see here a very good momentum bullish. But ultimately, what happened?
Again,
The
same
moment
stuff.
it tapped the supply zone, again selling.
Correct, exactly correct. So it's kind of a completely a consolidation area
Exactly,
only. It's not
consolidation
so
zone.
silver is also trying to do the same stuff. Everything is under that 130 minutes candle only,
Exactly.
and we can see the BTC. BTC has a good fall.
Yeah. So
Okay,
this fall came from BTC. Why it came? Because gold open gap down, gap
yeah,
up.
yeah.
So gold open gap up. What's happening? Flows are getting outside, coming out from the BTC
Mhm.
cryptos and going into this
Silver only.
commodities, gold and silver.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
gold and silver because they are physically physical assets.
Yep, exactly. That's
So
true.
what's happening? Everyone is trying to let's
Invest
say
in those
yeah,
two.
invest in those
See,
assets.
like I will tell you something. Everybody was talking about this stuff. Okay, probably you may be heard. So there's a BTC in 2018 was trading five thousand two hundred
Exactly
dollars.
5,000,
So it went to like one lakh 25.
125,000.
So why not silver?
Yeah, why not
Silver
silver?
also. Silver is a very potential
Exactly.
guy. Correct. So if silver can go from like 20 to 93, then it means it can go to 100 also. No.
Exactly.
Correct.
Silver can also go. So 100 to, if you see here, for I think 1 year back it was 40.
Yep, exactly correct.
You see, guys, it was 30, not even 40, 30.
So
So
the
this is June 2025. So
yeah,
now is January. So almost 6.5 months. So
yep,
six and a
exactly.
half months, it became 3x.
It's true.
And still
That's
it's
true.
going up.
So we can think of like see, but if for a healthy momentum, what I feel is like it should consolidate for us at least
Exactly.
6 months here.
Consolidation we need.
See, people start again like adding up the position, deducting
Exactly.
minus. So 10% from 15%, 20%
Exactly.
fall. It's fine,
But
fine from here.
instead, what's happening? FOMO.
Yep, exactly.
FOMO is happening. Every time market is even, let's say, going for a small retracement, daily
The
time frame,
10%, 8% is
more
it
people are
people.
coming.
Yeah, more
More
people.
people are coming. So
So
they are not even waiting for a proper dip or retracement. They are just
exactly
waiting to enter.
at whatever the level they are
Yeah,
getting.
they don't wait, like they are not caring what price they're buying at. For
But
example, they think it's a one-time rally,
one
generation rally,
that's true.
which they can get now.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they will miss the bus again.
Correct, exactly.
So
But what I feel is like I told a lot of people to invest in silver also, no? So I
exactly.
will be
So yeah,
telling you
so
that,
we were making, yeah, Basavaraj made reels like 6 months back. We
yeah,
posted reels on our live long channel, and we were telling our clients that silver is doing this. Silver can give a big breakout. And after that,
very
you
good.
see,
Yeah, very good. So that is what now if somebody's asking me to should I invest in silver, that's a typical answer. Like now I can't answer it.
exactly.
So now what happens? And I will be telling them to invest in a like different
Yeah,
manner.
in legs.
Yeah, is in a like in monthly or like
Yeah,
2 way or quarterly, you can start investing. So that if you get a dip, you can buy it at there. So
exactly.
that is what we can
So why, if you see here, why we are not telling you to go fully now? Why? Because you see even a small retracements in a single red candle, you see 13, 14%.
do. So it will be very big burden on you. So if
Exactly.
you're investing
So
a
if
10
let's
lakh,
say you bought from somewhere here, so you can be sitting in good profits here.
yeah,
You can
exactly.
exit some of your holdings.
Mm,
But now if you buy here, so what will happen? Already a rally has came, 200% rally. So
yeah.
now if you are expecting the same kind of momentum, I think that will be illogical.
Yep, exactly true. See, I exactly like entered at 49. So from 49 to
94.
94. So now I'm very comfortable. If
Exactly.
it is coming like I
5 10
told
percent is a
everybody,
very comfortable thing.
20% is correcting, nothing, no
Exactly.
problem at all for me here.
Exactly.
That's completely fine. So you just try to understand this stuff, guys. Okay, don't be in a FOMO. You will get this kind of returns. Okay, see, this is first time in my lifetime also, correct? Probably Deepanshu
Exactly.
also. Everybody's lifetime, it's the first time. So again, it will happen. So we should be patient and we need to wait it. Okay, just wait and try
Yeah.
to invest again. And
Yeah, guys, even if you have any doubt and issues, you can comment on the chat box.
yeah,
So
definitely you
we'll
can
try
comment.
to handle your answers and queries.
Yeah,
And now
that's
if you we go towards our platform CryptX.
and we will
So
try to see here
yeah,
any trades
exactly.
are there
So
for us.
we'll see. So same thing I was discussing. This fall in BTC came because what happened? Gold gap opened gap up.
Yeah,
So that money, basically smart money, most probably exited from the BTC and entered the gold.
gold, silver, basically there are
Exactly. So if you see 330 when the price markets open, so 330, if you see what happened, BTC started falling.
correct,
And BTC started falling, that money started going into the gold and silver.
correct.
So now again, if we see BTC also and all these things also, so this is BTC chart. Let's try to mark some levels and find out some zones where we can try to enter. So
So
let's see.
this is there from a selling perspective
Yeah.
manner, like 93,200 from we can think of a sell from there 200 points a stop loss.
So if you see here, what BTC has done is that this was the opening candle. This was the opening candle, guys. This was the opening candle, and what happened after that? BTC made a range like this,
Correct,
and then a breakout, proper retracement.
correct.
A proper retracement came. So now what we need is that we need again BTC either to give a breakout from this range so that we can plan for long, or either it should give a breakdown in the range again.
Yeah.
So the moment it comes into the range, we will target for these lows as a target.
Yeah, shorting we can think of here doing.
Yeah,
And one more thing also we can do is like you see, so 30 minutes range what we are getting here. So if I'm going to the smaller time frame like 15 minutes or 5 minutes, if the price is tapping again these levels like 300 level
yeah,
or 200 and 250. So 250 will also be a good number. Why? Because generally it may not come to 300 to 320 also.
exactly.
So what we can do is like we can take a risk from here only. Like if the price comes to 250
Mhm.
or something, we'll keep a 200 rupees stop loss.
Exactly. 200 or 250 points stop
Yeah,
loss we
to
can keep.
250 we can keep a stop loss at, and we can target till this zone.
Yeah,
Correct.
minimum one
So
is to 1.5. More than that,
yeah,
we should
yeah,
target.
definitely we will get this also.
Exactly.
This is also good entry. So in a smaller time frame perspective, we can start thinking of this taking trade also. That's completely fine. Correct. So this is a day high. From here, like 250, we
Yeah.
can start selling.
And if gold we check also. So guys, gold if we check, you see here same thing. Gold open big gap up. You see here this candle. This is why, because this is basically future and this is crypto. So
Correct.
crypto market never sleeps. So before opening in the spot, if you see the future, a big bullish candle
Spike started coming
and
to.
market somewhere opened here
That's true.
according to the spot timings, and after that complete consolidation. So if we again mark a zone here, so what we can expect is that this is the level for the gold. So this is the level for gold. Every time gold is tapping this zone, this is acting as a demand zone and gold is trying to go above. Same, this is a supply zone. So what we can do is that now we have to wait,
Yeah,
because
it's
in
in the middle.
between we will not trade.
So what happens exactly?
Exactly.
I will tell you guys. See what exactly Deepanshu also tell you here. So if I'm taking a trade here, okay. So what happens? My stop loss lies over here only. Correct. So my stop loss will be sitting at like 67 or below than that. So if I'm taking a short position, my stop loss lies here. So why we need to give so big stop loss? Let the price come here. You think of selling from
Exactly.
there, or let the price come here and take the buying and keep the stop loss here. So then it will be a small stop loss for the risk
Exactly.
will be in favor.
Exactly. Because one more thing is that if you see gold came from here, and after that it tried to consolidate here, and now people are short. Now what happens if again I try to short from here, and if market goes for a liquidity sweep, I will also get stopped out.
Yeah, exactly.
So either I should directly or patiently wait for the market to let these people stopped out, and then if it is I'm expecting that gold is respecting the supply zone, I will go short. So what I can do is that, let's say I will plan a short entry from here. This high of the zone can be my entry. With stop loss will be the today's high, which will be this. And target, if you see here, so exactly 1:2 we are
Oh, we
getting,
are
guys.
getting, yeah,
So this thing we can plan out.
easily we can plan off.
Exactly. So what we will do, we can also try to put an order. So if you see here, this zone is,
It's very easy. We can place orders now.
yeah. So this zone is, if you see, guys, this is a 4689.
8 8 for 8 9.
Okay, 4688 also we can do no issue. So we'll go here 4688, and we will go with a good quantity size also. So five quantities I am going, and I
Five
will,
lots. It's basically
yeah, five lots. So what I will do, I will now go for a short position. So first I will put
keep
a,
20 points.
I'll just let me see the stop loss and target. So target stop loss will be 4698.
98.
4698. So 10 points stop loss and 20
20
points
points
will be
target.
target. So here I will put, guys. Now I will put take profit 4678. Sorry, 4668. And then
Sell.
sorry, sell. And now I will put my stop loss here. I confirm my order now. Stop loss order, guys, 4698. So you see here, this thing done. Now I will do sell short. So everyone can see this. My order is placed now, guys.
So basically, we are waiting for the
Yeah.
level if to come to the picture and we can
So
easily take it.
4688 will be my shorting entry, and this 4698 will be my stop loss with the target as this 4668.
That's definitely true.
So
So
we will try to capture 1:2. So same thing we are telling you guys every day, that instead of going with the accuracy, play the risk reward ratio game.
that's true. That's true. But it will take a little bit time to understand this, guys. Why?
Exactly.
Because like see now you feel that okay, five stop losses are taken out. You'll start feeling that okay, this is not working. No,
Exactly.
from the sixth it will work. You just need to have a little bit patience and wait. Okay,
Yeah.
that is how the risk reward game
Yeah.
will
So
be there.
every system, let's say, have its own, you can say, pros and cons.
Yeah,
The only
definitely.
thing is that patiently waiting for a system. So if you are patient enough to wait for the system and let the system execute the trade by yourself, what will happen? It will be very comfortable for you. Why? Because even before entering the trade, I know that this is my stop loss and this is my target. Now I can do nothing else. Why? Because entry to come, it comes into the hand of the market. Stop
Correct.
loss is something that I can control,
That's
which
true.
I have placed.
That's
Target
true.
also I have placed, but I am not sure that whether market is going to reward me or not.
Correct.
So there is nothing else that I can do. So I will simply try to follow my system. And if you see here, we are not doing anything else. We are just simply doing price action analysis. Some liquidity sweep we are using. Why? Because liquidity sweep is a very common and a very important topic for the forex,
Yep.
and specifically gold. So we are only following that thing only. Nothing else we are doing. So we are expecting the same thing from you guys. Join our live every day. Try to understand our own insights, our observation. Try to use those observation in your own trading style. Try to create your own edge. If you still have any doubt, any confusion, you can anytime connect with us. So Live Long Wealth plus this CryptX we have launched specifically for this reason only.
Yeah. See, guys, we are basically giving you a half an hour or 45 minutes of our every day. So
Exactly.
try to utilize it. Okay. So we never had this kind of opportunities, but
Exactly.
we are
Because
trying to
when we
give you one.
started, it was not there.
Yep. That is the thing. Like it's completely fine. But just try to see now you're getting that advantage and try to utilize it. Okay. So we have this one. So let us see anything is there on the BTC. Silver is nothing. We are not trading any silver here.
Yeah.
Okay, so BTC, yeah, basically in the short, it's going downside. 30 minutes, anything falling is there. We can think of taking trade.
Yeah.
So
So
a pattern is
yeah,
30
W
minutes.
pattern it is kind of forming.
Like a pattern. Here it's a W and here it's an M. So this kind of like tricky. You can take a sell from here, but expect again momentum anytime reversal from here.
So guys, and try to understand that this momentum is not usual momentum. This is a smart money exit.
Yeah,
And if you see this fall, if I count this fall from here to here, how much this percentage is? So you see here almost 4%, 3.5%.
it's a crazy
So which is a very big fall. Even though crypto has fallen for Bitcoin has fallen more before also, but what is the psychology behind this fall? Basically, this is a smart money exit. They have exited their positions.
That's true.
And what happened? Most probably it's the retailers who are holding these positions. So these people, if you see, they are going from one asset to another asset, from digital asset to physical asset,
That's true.
from BTC to gold. So this thing you have to understand, like when the smart money exit from one asset and enters into another asset, there must be something that they know that we are not aware of.
That's true.
So try to follow that same smart money because these people, their entries and exit will be first. Then the retailers will come. But if you follow that, follow these people, we can track like which asset is going to perform next.
That's true.
It will not be, you can say, clear picture will not be clear, but still you can have a better idea. So now if people are accumulating BTC, like maybe BTC in next 3 months, 6 months can go. No one knows. But what about now? Now the gold is going up, silver is going up. So now the cycle is running for the commodities.
Yep.
So invest in this cycle.
And one more thing is like I want to say and I want to tell you about it. The natural gas today a huge 14%
Exactly.
momentum.
Today,
A very good momentum is there
yeah.
from here. The
So basically
320.
all the commodities are going up.
Yep, yep. 320 itself is acting as a resistance here. So which we marked in the priorly when I used
Yeah.
to trade. Now as of now I'm not trading in the like natural gas because huge uncertainty momentum were coming. So that's a good like it's catching up again. It's coming into the pace here. What we can say. But let's see about gold and silver as usual.
So guys, what do you think can be the next target for gold? So now if you see the gold all-time high is 4,690. So what do you expect that can gold touch 5,000 within next quarter till March end, or it will hit the 5,000 mark after the year end? So if you want to make a guess, please try comment on the this thing. Comment on the YouTube and let us also know. If you want any other analysis, also you can type. We are
5,000.
here to help you everything.
5,000 is not a big number for now.
Yeah,
As of now, if you see the gold, I feel that
exactly.
it can go in next quarter or next two quarters. But I need a consolidation for a little time. Then it can see 5,000 is like in a 3 4 days only it can go. Correct. See a
Exactly.
very good momentum every day, 1.5, 2%, 3%, 3%. It will reach
It will reach
easily.
within next month, maybe second week of Feb.
Okay, that is what it can happen.
Hmm.
So and one more guy is already know that he's supporting also Trump.
Trump. So this guy is,
So
he's
basically, he
very
is also
unpredictable.
supporting. So then, so it's very easy to us, no?
Exactly. So
Correct.
try to understand why gold is now going up and why after coming Trump coming to the power, these things are happening. So everything is linked because uncertainty.
Yeah.
That guy is uncertain. Like no one knows what he's going to do next.
Yeah, he tells in like his mom that okay, tomorrow I will do something. He will do it and he'll come
Something
back.
he will post something else and he will do something else.
That's true. That's true. But
So every day something new we are getting. Sometimes it's US Venezuela, now it's US Iran, and now they're also Trump is trying to put some tariffs on the EU also, European Union
correct,
countries.
which he has already trying to
Yeah,
do.
so
And Greenland
uncertainties
buying.
will be there.
A lot of things are going on because of
Yeah,
this supporting gold and silver.
exactly. Same thing if you see Indian market also today was down.
Yep.
If you see all the heavyweights, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Wipro,
Wipro.
ICICI Bank, they're in deep red. They're
Yep.
in deep red. So there is a reason that why all these things are happening because money is now coming out of from these assets like stocks and you can say this crypto and it is going to this.
And one more thing also, guys, if see if whatever he point out, that's very true. If money is coming out from this market, it definitely goes to silver and gold. Okay.
Exactly.
So until unless silver and gold, next it will be bond. Okay, the cycle
Exactly.
will be turned on
Then it will
completely.
be bond. Why? Because then money people even will look for a even more safer
Yeah, exactly.
option
Yeah,
because
exactly.
now they just want to protect their capital which is in thousands of crores.
Yeah, exactly.
So what will happen now that next cycle can be bonds.
That's true. See, already now, yeah, it has given a very good return. So gold and silver.
Exactly.
So it can be a bond also in upcoming years. Okay,
Yeah.
that's true also. So equity market is also there, and no need of worrying or something like that. Whatever investments you guys are doing, keep on doing it. Okay, consistency matter. Like
Exactly.
highs and lows, definitely me also and Deepansh also can.
Yeah, no one can capture the highs
Okay,
and
no
lows.
one can capture.
It's all about the
Just try
setup
to
and system.
consist.
Yeah,
If your investment, don't worry about that all stuff. You just try to be consistent and try to invest in every time whenever you get an opportunities.
exactly. So whatever trade you're taking, guys, whatever asset you are investing, you do your proper analysis. If you don't know how to do these things, connect Live Long Wealth. Our team, we will help you in
Definitely.
everything, portfolio building to financial analysis. All these things we will help you.
That's
So
true.
we are just, you can say, one message away from you guys.
Yep, that's true.
So you can just let us know. And if you see here, already our entry has been placed here. So we will just simply wait for our entry. If our entry executed, I will see directly and I will sure post you into the group. So you can also follow our livelong this thing CryptX channel and YouTube channel, and there we will sure post a short where we will tell you that entry has executed, and now your positions are running.
That's true. So that all three things we'll be
Yeah.
doing as well.
So
Okay.
you guys also can do one thing. You can also watch the market when the price is about to reach here, and then you can also try to take a trade.
Yeah, not try not take big quantity, start with the
Exactly.
small, try to understand things and then you can start
Exactly.
go with
So
the
like
big ones.
why did we entered here? Why we placed our entry here? Why our stop loss is there? Target is here. So why this is supply zone, demand zone. So all these things you will understand step by step.
Yeah,
The only thing is that following our analysis observations every day.
that's true.
So one day, 2 days is not going to help you. Over the period of time, you will be understand our psychology, and then you can mix our psychology, our observation with your own analysis, and you can create a new edge for yourself.
That's true.
So in the long term, which will help you.
Correct.
And one more thing is that if you see CryptX here, you can directly trade gold. You can directly trade this thing BTC. Why I'm saying specifically gold? Why? Because a lot of trader investor who let's say they are interested in gold and was trading in gold, they are going towards prop firms. But the problem they are facing is that maybe they don't
Yeah,
get payouts and all these things. Here you can directly trade gold. It is we are a 5 registered company, so there will be no problem. You can simply make any amount of money. You just have to pay the taxes according to the government slab rates.
that's true.
And after that, it's very simple. You can add money through the bank account. You can withdraw money in your
UPI.
bank account.
That's
Exactly.
exactly.
So
So
all
next
these things are available. So now, if you are still finding any excuse, this excuse is not going to help you. Instead of making excuse, start execution.
yep, that's
So
the
start execution here, guys. Start taking trades on CryptX. If you have any doubt, connect our team. We will surely help you. Anything regarding financial market, stock market, or about this CryptX, you just let us know. We are here to
definitely.
help you only.
That's the whatever he said. It's
Exactly.
pretty much true. Now again the same stuff. It's not coming to our entry point. Let us see what exactly it's trying to do. And BTC also any entries are getting like everything is in a consolidation zone only. You see pretty much consolidation. So this is a good to sell
Yeah.
below this level like 22 or 900 we can like below it is like good to sell or like at 23,300 93,300 is also good to sell. But it is in the middle only. It's not going anywhere.
So let's see. We have marked our levels in BTC here also. So we can see. So these levels we have marked, guys. So what BTC is doing based on our level marking, you can see this. So what we will do is that we will wait for the market to come to any zone. Once it is coming to any zone, respecting any zone, either supply side or demand side, then only we will try to go or try to make any position. But meanwhile, don't take any position. So you should also know when not to trade.
That's very important stuff.
Understand, guys? So you should also know when not to trade. So this time is not to trade time. Wait for the opportunities. Don't chase the opportunities. If you try to chase these, see, this is trading. This is not life where you have to chase the opportunity. Here, let the opportunity to come. Because if you try to create an entry, what will happen? Chances are that you will definitely lose.
Correct, exactly true.
So instead of creating an entry, wait for the market to create an entry for you.
Then automatically try to punch in accordingly and don't
Then,
leave that.
exactly. Then what is the part remaining? Execution. So after that, only thing is execution. You just place your entry, stop loss, and target. Then leave it.
Yeah.
After that, there is nothing you can do.
Just wait for that one.
Exactly.
Let
There
it
is
do its
nothing you
work.
can do.
Just wait for the
Yeah.
work to done.
So
That's it.
wait for the opportunity to come. If you see market is consolidating in a very small range now after giving a big rally on the downside. So
That's it.
now downside rally and a base is creating. So market is creating a base. So wait for the market to create a base and again let it create a direction, form a direction, then plan trade. Meanwhile, we have told you these are our levels. So if we are getting the BTC inside the box, we can try to go for short. So
That's
we
true.
can plan 300, 400 rupees of target here, points of target here.
In a zone
Exactly.
like see if you are planning for a bigger target until unless this day low is not breaking out or the base low is not taking out, we can't see any levels here, bigger
Exactly.
levels, and itself 93 itself is a very big number, correct? So we can't see any
Yeah, why?
big major
Because if
fall.
day low will break now, what will happen? New liquidity will come.
Yeah, exactly.
A new sell side liquidity will come, and these people will further push the price downside. And the buyers who are accumulating, what will happen? They will be now try to get exit, and plus new buyers will also be like kind of thinking that market can again give a further fall down. So
That's
they
true.
will not also try to cover their position. They not to create new positions. So they will also wait for the market to create a base. Here's after this much of fall, what's happening? Buyers are still there. They are creating a base, but still they are not confident because market again can give a fall. So what's happening? It's just a simple mere pullback only.
That's true.
So
It's
we
like
have to
whenever,
see.
yeah, it's a pullback. Just again, like it can be a profit booking pullback stuff. Again, it will try to come down to that. And
Exactly.
one thing you try to keep in the mind whenever you're trading in BTC, whenever you're trading in cryptos, sorry, cryptos and then
Gold.
commodities. So what happens? Like if it is going down, let it go down only. Don't think
Exactly.
of reversal trades.
Yeah, yeah.
This is
Never
very
try to
important.
like catch this falling knife
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, exactly. See, if you are good at like risk reward, then you do it. Otherwise,
Exactly.
definitely don't touch it. You guys will please start keep on averaging your trades and you will keep
Exactly.
on losing money. Don't ever try to do it. If it falls to a major level, for example, if you're asking Basaraj, well, where will you be taking trade? If reversal trade, if it goes to 92,000, one trade I will decide then
Exactly.
by
Because
keeping
around
100 to 100. Yeah,
exactly.
or like if it goes to 91,000 or 90,000, then I will start taking. You guys will start averaging there everywhere.
Yeah.
See, if it comes to 92,000, it can go to 91,500 also now.
Exactly.
Correct. So don't ever try to do that stuff. So if it is going upside, think of taking a trade in along with the trade only. Okay. Otherwise, risk reward, you know how to play and you can use it one.
Yeah. So
Otherwise,
if you
try to avoid
can
it.
find out proper entries and exits and you can time your entry, the most important thing is that timing the entry. So if you can time the entry, then you can go ahead, guys.
That's
From
true.
our side, this will be a, you can say, very beginner's advice
That's true.
because a lot of beginners and even the professionals who lost their emotions, so they will also make these mistakes. It's not like that only beginners do this thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyone can make
Sometimes
mistake.
for I will
Exactly.
consider myself also, like some days will come.
Exactly.
I will also be kind of in this kind of situations. So
Exactly.
you should try to,
So on that day, what will happen? Not just the profit you will lose, but you will also give away a big chunk of your capital.
yeah, you
And
made it from a month or two
exactly.
months, it
So
will everything.
after that, it will be a big regret.
Yeah, that is true. So we'll try to avoid lot of
Yeah.
stuff.
So avoid this stuff.
So
So
because of that only what Deepanshu did now, see he placed a target, he placed a stop loss and everything there.
exactly.
If it goes wrong, what are we losing?
Yeah.
5,000
Maximum I'm
rupees.
losing here.
That's it. We know right. Now you
Exactly.
guys don't keep your stop loss in this charts. You only keep your stop loss in mind. That's the
Yeah.
worst thing.
See what we will do now after placing our entry, we'll simply close the system and will leave. If the target comes, we'll make money, and if the stop loss come, we will lose money. Now nothing else we can do.
That's true. That is the
Nothing else
thing.
we can do. So we are only just following the system. Nothing else we are doing. In between, let's say if the market is here or here, and then we are expecting that okay, maybe our view can go wrong. Maybe market won't give me profit. I have to book profit from here only. So we can also do that. That is but later part. Before that, patiently wait for your entry. Now, if you see here, market is making a red candle here.
Now
So
you guys will
now,
start hopping
exactly.
here only. You'll
So
think that okay, price or reversal from here only.
yeah,
Okay, but it may reverse. It's not like it will not, but it's a
exactly.
not a correct entry. No, what you planned, it is not that one.
So the thing is that wait for the zones because maybe candles can trick you, but the zones will not trick you.
Yeah,
Zones will not trick you. Maybe one or two time you will get stopped out, but think about the risk reward ratio I'm getting here. 1 is to
that's true.
2. So 1 is to 1.67 plus, but ultimately it's more than 1 is to 1.5. So if I'm expecting market can give a breakdown, I can even hold for further also.
Yeah.
Make it a 1 is to 3, 1 is to 3.5.
So how I will give you an insight, okay? How to exactly hold, how to understand Basaras. That
Yeah,
is like we can hold this one. See, when the price comes here in a initial next one candle or two candle only, it achieved your target. That means it's a potential to that price can go
exactly.
down. Okay, there is a huge sell off from there. So then you can start trailing your stop loss. Keep it cost to cost, 1 is to 1.
1 is
Then
to
you,
1.
you can trail it. Like as of now, if you're a beginner, that's a very hard to trail your stop loss
Yeah,
because you'll be jumping You will be sitting in a hot seat kind of a stuff.
Yeah, you will be sitting in completely hot seat, and you will be like for every single second you will be sitting the watching the screen, then MTM, then
That's
again
true.
screen, then MTM.
That
So
happens.
again, it will be, you can say, it will push your this thing mindset. So it will impact your psychology.
Correct.
So first thing is that don't let it this thing impact your psychology.
That's true. So try to understand this stuff, guys. These are like for today, whatever we told is
Yeah,
like these are levels and we have placed our target. So whatever it will be that me or Deepanshu will be updating you in the
yeah.
CryptX. Okay,
And
definitely.
join our live every day, guys. So
Yeah.
every day we will be coming, and we will be updating into the group.
Yeah. Sure.
So yeah,
Thank you guys
thank
for
you, guys.
joining for the live.